What if I told you the most valuable thing in your life is quietly slipping away right now, and you don't even notice it? It's not money. It's not your phone. It's something you can never get back once it's gone. Every tick of the clock is taking it away from you, and most people don't realize it until it's too late. In today's video, I'm going to show you what that something is, why it decides the kind of life you live, and how you can use it to finally reach your dreams, especially your dream of speaking English confidently. So stay with me till the end, because once you understand this, your English learning, your mindset, and even your life will never be the same again. So many people say, "I'll start tomorrow." But have you noticed? Sometimes tomorrow is just a polite way of saying never. Your time is not a never-ending buffet. You don't get unlimited servings. Every single minute is a piece of your life. Keep delaying, and your dream won't just walk away, it'll sprint. This isn't just another motivational video you'll forget after 5 minutes. This is your alarm bell. And guess what? It's ringing right now. You didn't choose your birthday. You won't choose your last day. But you do choose what happens in between. That, in between time. That's your real life. Your most valuable treasure. Sadly, most people treat it like loose change. They don't think twice before wasting it. Lesson 1. Time is life. Time is not just a number on a clock or a label like morning, afternoon, or evening. Time is your opportunity. Time is the air you're breathing right now. Every second, your life moves forward, whether you're ready or not. You can't hit pause. You can't store it in a jar for later. You can't buy an extra pack. Once it's gone, it's gone. Forever. Let's keep it simple. Waste 1 hour, and you've thrown away 1 hour of your life. Spend 10 minutes complaining, and you've just donated 10 minutes of your future to nothing. But use 1 single minute to learn something new, and you're building your future brick by brick. Every small action counts. Every minute is a part of your story. And maybe you're thinking, "I'm too busy. I don't have time to study English." But look again. You have time when you stop scrolling social media. You have time when you wake up just 10 minutes earlier. You have time when you choose learning instead of sitting and waiting for the perfect moment. Time isn't about having more, it's about using what you've already got. Ask yourself, how did you use your time yesterday? Did you grow? Did you learn? Did you say even one new English sentence? Or did you just wait? Because here's the truth. If you don't respect time, you're not respecting your life. Now that you understand time is your life, here's the tough question. Why are you still waiting? Lesson 2. Stop waiting. Many people say, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll study when I'm less busy. I'll speak English when I feel ready." But they're not waiting for the right time. They're hiding from fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of looking silly. Fear of not being perfect. But waiting doesn't make you fearless. It makes you rusty. The longer you wait, the heavier your feet feel. You lose confidence. You lose energy. And in the end, you lose your dream. Let me share a real story with you. Some people don't truly start living until life shakes them hard. Maybe the doctor gives them bad news. Maybe someone they love is suddenly gone. And only then they whisper, "Life is short. I must do something now." But my friend, why wait for a storm to remind you that the sun exists? Why not wake up before the lightning strikes? You don't need pain to change. You don't need tragedy to push you. All you need is a decision, and you can make it right now. This very second, you can choose to speak one English sentence. You can grab a notebook and write down one new word. You can use the minute you have, or you can watch it slip away forever. And here's the truth. No one is stopping you. Not your teacher, not your family, not your job. The only person who can press pause on your dream is you. You decide whether to wait or to start. You decide whether to say, not yet, or now is the time. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Newsflash, it's not arriving. Life is already happening. English is waiting for you now. Your dream is calling you now. So stand up, speak up, show up, because the longer you wait, the louder the clock keeps shouting. We've already learned that waiting will never help you. So what's next? You move, you act, you take one tiny step, even when life feels heavy like a backpack full of bricks. Lesson 3. Keep moving. Life isn't always sunshine and smooth roads. Sometimes your plans fall apart. Sometimes you wake up feeling lost or tired. And when you're learning English, the challenges can feel even sharper. You forget words. You can't follow what people are saying, and embarrassment creeps in like an uninvited guest. But listen, this is normal. Every learner faces this, and the golden rule is simple. When you feel stuck, don't freeze. Keep moving, keep learning, keep speaking. If you fall, stand up. If you're tired, take a deep breath, then take the next step. Think of a runner in a race. Sometimes their legs feel like feathers, sometimes like stone. But there's only one way to finish, to keep going. Your English journey works the same way. It's not about speed, it's about momentum. You don't need 5-hour study marathons. You just need to show up every day. Watch one short video. Say one sentence out loud. Write a tiny paragraph. Small actions may look weak, but they're not. They're powerful. Because every time you move, you grow. And here's the best part. You grow even faster when you help others. Teach someone a word. Motivate a friend. Share a sentence you just learned. When you give, you grow. When you share, you shine. So when life feels heavy, don't freeze. When English grammar feels like a puzzle with missing pieces, don't throw it away. You're not the only one going through this. We all have those days when things seem impossible. The difference between those who grow and those who quit is simple. They keep going. Say this out loud with me. I will not stop. I will keep moving. I am growing every single day. If you've been moving forward, even slowly, through the hard days, congratulations. You've already started changing. But there's one more ingredient that makes all the difference. Lesson 4. Believe in change. Real change doesn't start with a dictionary, a textbook, or a perfect study plan. It starts in your mind. If you don't believe you can speak English, you'll never even try. If you convince yourself you're not smart enough, you'll stop before you start. If you keep saying, "This is too hard," your brain will nod and say, "Okay, we'll stop then." But the moment you say, "I can improve," the whole story begins to shift. Belief is not just a thought, it's the ignition key for your new life. When you believe you can learn, you will start learning. When you believe you can change, you will start changing. The magic happens when you move from "I hope" to "I believe." Suddenly, your energy changes. Your focus sharpens. You stop dragging your feet. You are not stuck. You are not the sum of your past mistakes. You are not the shy person who never speaks. You are a learner. You are growing. You are trying. And that alone is powerful. Take a moment and look at your life right now. Ask yourself, where am I? Who do I want to be? What's actually stopping me? And the biggest question, do I believe I can change? If your answer is yes, even a tiny yes, then protect that belief like it's the last piece of chocolate in the house. Feed it every day. Talk to yourself with kindness, not judgment. Say, I am someone who can grow. Say, I own my time and my future. Say, I believe in myself. Because belief is like a seed. If you care for it, water it, and keep it safe, one day it will grow into something beautiful, your new life. Don't wait for other people to believe in you. Go first. You lead the way. And when you believe in change, change has already begun. Now you've learned how belief works. But belief alone is like a car with no fuel. You won't go far unless you have a reason to keep moving. Lesson 5. Live with purpose. Many people wake up, go to work, eat, scroll, sleep, and hit repeat, day after day. But they don't feel truly alive. Why? Because they have no purpose. They're breathing, but they're not really living. They're moving, but not going anywhere. Purpose is the reason you wake up with energy instead of dread. It's that fire in your chest that says, I want more from life. I want to grow. I want to give. Purpose turns ordinary time into powerful time. It makes your voice stronger, your actions bolder, and your dreams louder. So ask yourself, why are you learning English? Is it for a better job? A brighter future for your family? To travel and see the world with your own eyes? To understand more, connect more, and make friends from different countries? Whatever your reason is, feel it. Say it out loud. Write it down. Because that reason is your fuel. When studying it feels like climbing a steep hill, go back to your why. When you're tired, remember your reason. When someone laughs at your mistakes, look past them. Focus on your goal. Purpose is not just motivation, it's your anchor. It's what holds you steady when life throws its storms at you. And here's a secret. Don't make your purpose only about yourself. Ask, how can I help others with what I learn? Can you teach a younger student? Can you inspire someone in your family? Can you show your children what's truly possible? Because when your purpose is bigger than your fear, you become unstoppable. Live with purpose. Study with purpose. Speak with purpose. Let every action mean something. Let every word you learn pull you closer to the life you've been dreaming of. We've reached the end of this video, but not the end of your story. In fact, this is where it really begins. Your time is now. Time isn't just numbers spinning on a clock, it's your chance. Every second you are alive is a chance to learn, to grow, to speak, to live. But time doesn't wait. It will not pause for you. One day, the ticking will stop. And when that day comes, you will ask yourself, did I live fully? Did I use my time well? So don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect plan, the perfect mood, or the perfect words. Start with what you have today. Speak one sentence. Read one page. Learn one thing. That's how great journeys begin. And remember, no one else can live your life. No one else can speak in your voice. No one else can build your dream. That is your responsibility. That is your gift. That is your time. This is the moment, not tomorrow, not someday, right now. You have time, but it's running. Every second you wait is a second you lose. Every second you use is a step toward the life you want. So, stop letting the clock win. Take one small step today. Say one English sentence, write one new word, and share it with someone. Because your time is your life. And your life is happening now. Go live it. Go speak it. Go own it.